Don't forget to put on your 5mm neoprene sport gloves to go throw the garbage out so your hand don't stick to the dang can. In Buffalo, New York. First obstacle, metal door handle. Before you even open it, you better have this glove on or we're sticking. Number 2. Obstacle number 2, another door handle that's metal. Ooh, good thing you had that glove on, Lou. 5mm neoprene sport. My savior today was my 5mm neoprene sport glove. Able to throw the garbage without freezing my hand to the handles on the doors that I have that are metal, and it works wonders, and I save my fingers. You don't have? Get yourself some, throw the garbage out.